Day has finally come. It has been a bit of a battle the past, month, and we've definitely had some ups and downs, but we finally passed. Guys, I am so excited, and I want to pretty much, this is going to be a relatively short video. I just want to go over how I passed it, and then also my plans going forward with how I'll be trading the funded account, and yeah, my mindset going throughout here. So first off, to tell you guys, today was a little bit of a tricky day for me. I told myself, Sunday, Saturday, well, mostly Sunday night going into Monday morning, I was like, you know what? I am not going to allow myself to get, in my head at all that I'm close to passing. I was about $200 away from passing. And I told myself, I will not overtrade. I won't get in my head at all. And yeah, we ended up taking way too many trades for the day, guys. But we still passed, but we took 31 trades on the day. So that is crazy. I don't even know what the hell happened today. But I don't want to go over my trades too much. I still have a lot to learn, but I know for those of you that have been following along, this trading challenge has been I've been trading since the start of December, and my previous, let's see if we go back to it, where is it? This one, guys.
Was, long bias.
This, I was not wanting to happen, and my thing going into today was not allowing this account to spiral out of control, especially because with this last account, I think I was about $400 away from passing, and we ended up blowing it. So yeah, that's not that important, that video, but it just feels really good, everybody. The motions definitely got high though, and I was like more focused on trying to pass a little bit than anything. So I was like going super scalp mode, like trying to scalp. Took a bunch of trades in the morning, and then later on in the day, I was like, all right, well, scalping is not really, it wasn't working. So then I started to try to hold longer, and then scalping was the move. So I couldn't gauge the market really much today, but luckily the trade that saved the day, it was on MNQ, and I actually entered my mind was so messed up, I entered ES a little bit, and then once I realized, then I re-entered MNQ. It was for pretty much the downtrend break. I'm going to show you guys right now the trade that I took that ended up passing the account. It was an emotional roller coaster, guys, because if you look, I actually got above 53K on the account. It was like 5305, right? Or $53,005. It came back down. And at that point, I was like, oh my God. And with that, it started rejecting right around here. So at this point, I passed, but I didn't close out the profit. And we started coming back down. And we got here, I'm like, oh my God, we're going to crack the uptrend. Yeah, we're going to crack that uptrend, and we're going to move down lower. But I stayed in the trade, and it worked out. So I'm going to show you guys that trade right now. All right, guys, that was the trade for the morning. Well, not the only trade. I definitely have a trade, but that was the account. That was the trade that passed the account. So I just want to talk a little bit about my plans going forward, right? So Just let my dog in really quick. But my plans going forward, I want to be extremely selective. I know there was a lot of sloppy trading done throughout this month. Like in the beginning of the month, I was more selective, and then it started to get sloppier, you know? So going forward, my goal is sometimes I'll scale in and out of positions. So of course that'll show more trades, but I don't ever really want a day showing more than 10 trades. So that'll be like maybe 3 to 5 trades on the day for me, not, like this. And yeah, my only goal is I don't want to be too focused on trying to get a payout. I just want to trade this as it is and, tell myself every day that I trade, that's money in my pocket and I just want to grow this account as big as I can. But the time I do get a payout, I want to completely reinvest that into more combines. So once I get a large enough payout, I'm thinking maybe once the account's at $2,000, maybe pulling 1,000 out and just putting that into new combines, or at least saving that ready to put into new combines. I'm not really going to be spending that money on anything other than just putting it back into the Topstep and just trying to keep on growing it bigger and bigger. And yeah, I'm not really celebrating anything too early, but I'm excited. I'm going to try to trade this similarly to this, but just a little bit more properly and selective. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited for what's to come. I still got a lot of things to work on for sure. Like there were these days where even like this day, $700, I dropped down and I went beyond my max loss limit. Battled back from it. But I feel like I need to just hone in and work on a lot of these, but I'm excited for everybody. Oh, one thing I want to say, I want to thank everybody that's been following along, because with my last account, I was over trading like crazy. Like I've definitely made a little bit of progress on that part where you guys were like, what the hell are you doing? 70 trades in a day, 112 trades in a day. And I didn't even think anything of it. I was like, oh, well, you know what? Definitely have gotten better. I don't even, now looking at it, 300 trades in a week. I don't know what the hell I was even thinking. Like that's ridiculous. But we definitely have gotten a little bit more selective. I still need to work on that a little bit. And to be honest, I know I'm not claiming I'm this amazing trader or anything. I'm still learning so much, guys. But I wanted to make this YouTube channel just so you guys could follow along and see my journey. And maybe if anybody could learn something from my mistakes, stuff like that, it's positive. But yeah, I want to thank you guys. And also the channel, like, I'm super excited. I didn't expect to get this much positive feedback and for the channel to be getting this many views and like likes, and even like my channel to be getting subscriptions. So or subscribers, not subscription. I don't know. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm excited to I'm going to stop yapping. I know I've kind of been going on. I'm just excited about the account. So tonight I'm going to, I think probably by 4 p.m. or 6 p.m., hopefully it'll show that this account is passed, and then I will be buying the, paying for the activation fee, and then I'll make a new video probably coming up on showing you guys the certificate, and yeah. So with that being said, guys, I am going to get out of the house. This trade took way longer. It was like watching paint dry today. My final trade of the day that made it pass. I want to get out of the desk, or get off the desk, get out of the house, and yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.